Want incredible deals? You're in the right place. Look no further than AliExpress, your one-stop shop for everything you need. This online retail giant connects shoppers with sellers worldwide, making it easier than ever to find what you're looking for. It's a massive marketplace with almost any product imaginable, from the latest tech gadgets to unique handmade crafts. Think of it like a global bazaar, all from your computer or phone, offering endless possibilities. AliExpress is a haven for bargain hunters, where you can find amazing deals and discounts every day. Ready to explore? Let's dive in and see what treasures await you. You'll find everything from clothing and electronics to beauty products and accessories to home goods and gadgets, all at unbeatable prices. The sheer variety can be overwhelming at first, but that's part of the fun. But don't worry, we'll guide you through every step, from finding the best deals to making your first purchase. Get ready to discover a world of affordable shopping, where every click brings you closer to a great find. Let's start your AliExpress adventure. Happy shopping! Getting started on AliExpress is easy and straightforward. Simply head to their website or download the app from your app store. Once there, you'll see a sign-up button prominently displayed. Click it, and you'll be prompted to enter your email address and create a password. After filling in these details, just hit submit. That's it. You're now part of a global shopping community. Once signed up, take some time to explore your profile. This is where you can manage all your personal information. You can add a shipping address, set up your preferred payment methods, and even create a wish list to save items you're interested in. This personalized hub is your control center for all things AliExpress, making your shopping experience seamless. Now you're ready to start browsing and discovering great deals on a wide range of products. Happy shopping! AliExpress is a treasure trove of products. Use the search bar to find something specific, or browse by category to see what catches your eye. Want even more refined results? Filters are your best friend. When you find a product you like, click on it. You'll see detailed descriptions, photos, and customer reviews. Pay attention to seller ratings. Look for sellers with high positive feedback for a smoother experience. Section 4, the art of the deal. Secure payment options. Found the perfect item? Great. Adding it to your cart is easy. When you're ready to check out, AliExpress offers secure payment options. Use trusted methods like PayPal, major credit cards, or even bank transfers. AliExpress prioritizes secure transactions. Your payment information is encrypted and protected. This ensures a safe and worry-free shopping experience. Now you can shop with confidence. Section 5. Unlock global bargains, AliExpress benefits. Shopping on AliExpress is a game changer for savvy shoppers. Shopping on AliExpress comes with major perks that make it a top choice for online shopping enthusiasts. First, the prices are unbeatable. You can find deals that are hard to match anywhere else. You're buying directly from manufacturers, cutting out the middleman, which means lower costs for you. This translates to significant savings, allowing you to stretch your budget further and get more for your money. Second, AliExpress offers worldwide shipping. No matter where you are, you can access a vast array of products. No matter where you are, you can have products delivered right to your doorstep, making shopping convenient and hassle-free. It's like having a global marketplace at your fingertips, with endless options to choose from. Finally, AliExpress provides buyer protection. This ensures that your purchases are secure and that you can shop with confidence. If an item arrives damaged or not as described, you can get a refund. This peace of mind makes shopping on AliExpress a worry-free experience. Happy shopping!